Hi again. We finish with the installation of new R830 and import the migration database from the R7730. As we can see, the database migrates successfully. We can see everything. We can see the policy and the object. We will do install first one access control and the second one for the thread. And then we will check the Windows 10 and see that we can surf the internet and the specific websites are working and specific websites are not. Like Facebook and YouTube are not working. This one I don't want even to try, but if someone will try, it will be blocked. And regular business websites are working. So we need to wait for the installation. We just saw it succeed. We'll do next install for the thread. We can add an IPS. We had only the application control and antivirus. We can add the IPS. Let's configure the IPS. We don't have sandblast. We don't have antibot. We put install on our gateway management. And we are ready for a new install. I think the installation is ended successfully. This install for the IPS. We have nothing in the lab to protect here, only on internal users, but it's enough for us. Let's see, the Windows 10 is working. So we can see this one is working. We'll refresh. We try again the Facebook. We try again the YouTube. And that's it. Our migration successfully from R7730 to R18. My next lab is to configure remote access VPN user that it's like is coming from here to the gateway, authenticate and create a tunnel to the gateway and then RDP to here. I will install a new Windows 10 virtual machine. I will place it on VMnet 8 and authenticate to the gateway and see how it works. Bye for now. See you next.